Hello creative designers and welcome on to this tutorial. My name is Peter. And on to this tutorial, we're just going to see how we can be able to change this custom dashboard to something looking like this. You can see how the themes, how the dashboard will look like. We're just going to use the free plugin for us to achieve on this. The best thing about this plugin is that it has a dark mode and it has fresh mode. You can just check on them, and you can see for now I have just customized and I have a different background color. I'll show you how you can be able to change that. We have this icon for the comment. You have the one if you want to view the dashboard, the website itself. You just click on this point here. Instead of having this word here, this or this one, we have something very simple, which is a logo, and we have this one. If you click, you have these icons there. Yeah, you can see even the dashboard itself, the column, the admin column here. We have so many. You can see how it look like. We have the comment. These are new. You can see it is one that's customized, and you can see it look amazing. We have the search bar here. You can search anything from here. If you try like to search for WooCommerce, it will auto suggest like for pages, posts that has the WooCommerce and all that. Anything that has WooCommerce on it. If you decide like now to open on this one here, you see I have given it a custom name here, and on this side here we had home, and I converted it and I called it my dashboard. And like I can show you how you can even add this. And the best thing about this, you can hide these features to even the others and all that. You can give some light on that. On post, like you see when you come to the normal dashboard, on hover is of 8, it will just on hover on it to just show these. But when you just come on this, you just have to click and it opens up some option, and it's for you to just open on it. You see, it just goes on that. Yeah, the other thing is that when it comes to those things you categorize the same, you can just give them a section. Like I give this for Elementor, and those plugins that goes with Elementor, or those icons or menu links that come on my dashboard menu that are related to Elementor, I just give them this one section. So when I just want to head to just anything related to Elementor, I just select here. You can see I have this separator here, and there's so many things I'll be showing you in the end of this tutorial. The thing I just want to show you is, with the help of this plugin, I've been able to change the login page. Let's try to see how it will look like. I've been able to theme my login page. You see, I have a logo here, I have the name of the website, and I have the login form. You can see you can change so many things with this plugin. It's a free plugin. And without further ado, let me show you features on how you can be able to achieve this and change, maybe for your client or for yourself. It will just be amazing to have it. If you're new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up for this tutorial. It will help the YouTube algorithm to suggest this tutorial to many people who really need it. And with that, let's just go on how you can be able to set up. So the first thing, we just need to hover on the plugin, the button for the plugin. We have these 3 options. On this one here, you don't have to hover on it. You just need to click it, and it just open up, and just have to select. So on this, we'll have to hover and select a new, because you need to add a new plugin, and just a single plugin that will help us achieve all that. So on here, the plugin is called WP Adminify. I will put the link on the description how you can get it. Here we have it. It's called WP Adminify. It's a powerhouse toolkit for WordPress dashboard. It's from the Jewel themes. You can see it has just 80 plus active installation. It's just a very new plugin, and you can see last updated 7 days ago. and we just start. All we just need to do is we install the plugin. Once you have successfully installed it, we just need to activate it, and just start before to just change everything. Let me just load the dashboard here. This is the one dashboard we have, and let's now see the plugin after activation, and you can see the difference, and we'll be able to see the differences from here and on this side. And we just start, you can see it just changed, but the theme you're having is the light theme. And if you want just to go and if you want to have dark theme, all you just need to do is click on this button, here, and it just toggle on, and you just have a dark theme. And we just that this is from a Freemius.com. The plugin is at the Freemius, so I don't want to share anything about any of my website or land sensitive. I don't want to share anything, so I just click skip. And just start now. You'll be taken to this page, and you have so many other call to action, the information. So I'm not going to did on this. I just close this, and I'm just closing this. So from there, we can be able to customize our dashboard so easily. So you can see how it just look, and you can see it just really look like the number one. When you just compare on this, you can see how it look like. So we need to customize our theme. Is so easy. So we come to model. I just left them to just stay on the way they are. So I just go to customize. I'm not going to take you through step on so many things. I'm just going to offer you the basic thing that you just need, and you can just have the plugin, and you can try most of other features that I'm not just going to cover. It is so big. I can take almost 2 hours explaining this, but I'm just going to take very few things here and there which are very essential. When you come to the dashboard, remember, when you just come to here and you just toggle this, you have the dark color as LED. So for instance, if you just want to have different background color, just change it here, and you can change. It won't change here, but it will change when you come to, it will just come when you just toggle this button here, but I just leave it the way they are. We have other options for gradient, but other options you just need a pro version. I'll try to find a pro version, and I can take you through step on how on all those features that are available on the pro versions. The other thing is the dark mode and the light mode. So you can just come here. You can see we have the color mode. I just want it to be dark mode. Logo type, you have the image, and you have the text. You can move this text there, and you just add maybe the name of your website. Let me set up my website here, just like that, and I save the setting. So once we refresh it on this end here, this should change so many things. This is the dashboard as you're speaking. You can see how it look like. We don't have the logo here, so we can change it from here. So I don't know why it never changed. We can come back to the image, and we can even change the logo. I just click there, and you can see even the media page, how it look like. It may just change. Use this logo here. You can have your own logo, and you can choose it. But let me use this one, the one I just selected there, and I just select, and I save the setting. Once I saved it, I can refresh on the other page for the dashboard, and you see now we have been able to change the logo. You can change as many times as you do the one that is favorable one. Depending if you want to use a dark theme or a white or a light theme, you can change depending on the taste on how you just want it to look like. For that, we have been able to change the logo. You can see now that look good. So let's now come back here and change everything. So what you just now need to do is go to the admin footer. You can just come here. So many features here which are included. Let me just cruise here, and let me remove almost all of them for us to have an easy time editing it. So here we have the admin footer here. You can be able to change this. You can change you can change, you can hide the IP address, PHP version, the WordPress version, memory usage, memory limit, and all that. And you can add just a custom, text as a copyright, just like that. And you can even add a link here like that, and you can close and you can save the changes. With that, we have been able to change the footer, and we can refresh here once it has been saved. So let's say now we have been able to remove most of the text that were available here. And here we have the quick menu. Before I forget, this will be available when you just go to the dashboard. It will be a floating button. You can hover, you can add a new post on, just click here, and on this point you can be able to create a new page instantly. And on this other icon here, you can be able to add new media, just so easy. Then from there we go now to the menu setting. This is where now we have these ones here. So the one we just need is the vertical menu, and we have a coordination, and we have rounded, and we have mini icon. We just start. Let's see what the features it had added. So for this one is the main type. The main type is this one, and the sub menu is one hover. These are the sub menu, and we have the active. How do you want it to be highlighted? I have it highlighted like this one. And the menu mode, I can have the mini icon. Let's see it. Let's refresh here. So you can see it is closed, and you can see now on click it just open like that. It is just not on hover, it just don't pop up, it just remain on that. So let's go back here and say the active one, and we have the vertical menu. But for the vertical menu you need a pro version. I think it has so many features. Maybe if I get lucky, I get a pro version. I'll just share how it look like. Sub menu, we have the condition, we have the toggle. Let's see how the toggle look like. It just saved, so refresh here. So yeah, that's how it look like. It is not closing. I think the one I can choose is for me. I would use a condition, and I save the changes. So from there, now we are on the admin bar. We have the setting. You can disable, the best thing you can disable for others, and you can, like you say, you disable for the other. Maybe the other will not be able to see the setting on that, but let me just leave it the way it is for now. We have the admin bar. You can just toggle it off or on, this one. And we have the front end admin bar. We on the admin, when you just open the website, when you open our site, on the front end we have the access. So if I delete that one and you try to go, we see now we have the admin bar here. You can disable it from here. You can hide it. You can change the admin bar position. Right now is here, but you can place it on the down there with the plugin. And now I don't think we have the search form. The search form is this one, and we have the comment icon, this one. You can just toggle it off. View the website icon, this one is the one you just need to click, and you can view the website. And you can just toggle this button. You can hide this button. If you toggle this button off, you'll be able to hide this button for light and dark mode button. So from there we have now the twerk. I'm not just going to get much into it because it need a lot, but you can just you can add some HTTP response and feeds and all that. We now go to the widget setting. What are those widgets that can be added when it comes to the dashboard here? When you just come to screen here, there's so many things here that are available, but you can select the one that you can wish to have. I can select maybe WooCommerce. Let me say at Grace, and I say decent post, and I say quick draft. And with that, I just have only that. I just come here and I refresh. Let's try to see if it worked. So there's so many that has been removed here. We can also come back here. we have removed this one, but they're the one that we needed, so I need to remove. And let me just say I just need only those one, and I save the changes. The one we have not ticked, I think they are the ones that are supposed to be shown here. So let's see. Yeah, that's how it works very well. So the one you just don't want is the one you just tick, and you can hide the visibility for if you want them to be visible for the domain state and that, but I'm just going to leave it as default. I save the changes. So from there we have the sidebar widget. I'm not going to mind about that. We have admin notice. Most of these it will just I will remove the panel and all that. So for this we have now the white table, but for you to use the white table you need a pro version. You have the backup. You can back up the setting and you can import maybe on the other website. So, and if you just want to use this setting, you can import and you set them here. Now you go to the dashboard widget. For the dashboard widget, the dashboard here, you can create a custom welcoming dashboard, and you can create maybe a page. So you can if you turn, you just need to select welcome and you toggle on, and you select the page or the elementor template if I've just created. The one will be shown on the dashboard. Maybe you want the client to, you can offer some few quick links on how client can troubleshoot some few issues here and there. You can create a page and you can just select from here. So it's just so easy, and you can allow for some users, and some users don't see the page. So from there, if you have custom CSS, you can have it. You have the sidebar generator. We have server info. You can check them on your own. We have the one I can wish to check is the notification bar. When you say the notification bar, there is a notification bar that would be available here. It will just show some, maybe an offer, or maybe something that you're trying to advertise, or something you just want to create awareness for. Click on this button, notification bar, you'll be taken to the customizer, and we have the notification bar here. You can see where it is located. And let me just get back here and I open here. We have the content section. You can add your link here or the message, and you see it's for Black Friday 50% off, like that. And you can add maybe button for run more, and maybe not for run more, and you can see check now, and you offer a link here. You click edit a link and you remove it, and you offer that link on where they can get it. And now like that, and you add the link and you publish. When you have it, you can use some CSS to add this bold and all that. I'm not just going to mind much about that. When you come on the front end as a customer, you'll be able to see the buttons not working for this one. Let me just open it. Let me try to open it on a private tab here. It's not showing. I don't know why, but it's supposed to show. So I come back here. I come back to here and I come to the notification bar. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to show these pixels you have here. So from there, before I proceed, there's one thing I just want to show you. On the customizer setting here, we have the login customizer. You can customize your login from here. So we have this few templates you can check on. You can try some of them for pro version, but on hover you can be able to tell this is a pro version. This won't need a pro version. This need a free version. So I can select like this one, or I can select like this one, and I publish. So let me try to view it here from here, and I open it in a private tab here, and I press it, and I press the link here, and we try to see how is the. So you can see how it look like. You can see it has this powered by. So we are going to customize everything. So let me just cross there. And let me go back here, and we have now the logo. We can be able to change the logo from here. So I just come back here, I select the logo I just want to use. I can use this one here, and with that I can add this link. I can change the link here. The link is ready. The logo link you can change. The mini logo link I can add just as hashtag. You can publish, then you can add some padding and all that, but I'm not just going to back on that. You can now have the background. If you want to use video, you need a pro version as ratio. You need a pro version. We have the gradient, you need a pro version. For the background color, you can add a different color, but with the template it just has to have a different color. Let me try to use this one. So from there, I have the layout. You can change the layout on how you want it to be displayed. I want it to be like that, and I publish. So from there we have the login form. You can be able to customize everything. That's the best thing about this. You can see the background for the form here. You can change it, and you can upload an image and all that. So from there, now we go to the field. Here we have the username. You can see some features need pro version, but those which are free, we can just be able to use them. For the username here, and you have the password here. When we have this button for login, lost password, and back to this one, you can change it. Now you have the button. You can customize the front side and all that. So from there, we have the other setting. You can hide, remember me. You can hide login shake and lost password and all that. You can hide even this button here. So from there, I'm not just going to focus so much on that. So I get back to the dashboard. Now let me show you how you can be able to edit this menu here. Just so easy. All you just need to do. The other thing is we have the page speed. You can add some links, and you can be getting the page speed and all that. You have login customizer where we were. And from there we have the admin column. These are those things that are available when you have the admin. So from there, now we need to go. So now here we have the admin menu. You can be able to change the admin menu, the one we have here. So you can see I have some faded word here, and I show you how you can be able to add it. So we have a dashboard. The first thing I just want to note is that this name will be the main one, and on the submenu are those things that on click are popping up here. So those are the submenu, and you can even just give them just a different name. So my dashboard, and I can go to my home and I see my dashboard like that, and you can hide to some people. You can even change the icon, and you can even go to the update, and you can change recent update or recent upgrade, or recent upgrade, or whatever it is, creative. Now that you can be able to change. The other thing, you can be able to change most of these one, and after that you can save the changes. So let me just get back here, and for now you can see this one is called my homepage. For now it's called homepage. Let's refresh and see if it will just take you see, it just changed. Now it is called my dashboard. You can change this to my upgrade and all that. So let's move this WP Adminify, and we get it back here, and we try to sort of some few things, because for this like for this button here is for WooCommerce. We're just going to take it to the WooCommerce section here. So what we just need to do is we select the menu editor here on the Adminify, select menu editor, and you have this separator. The separator is this line here, which is dividing this section and the other section. So let me cross back here, and I just go here, and I have WP Adminify. I want this Adminify to be the last one here. I don't want the product inquiry to come here to the WooCommerce after the product here. So from there, now I don't think so much, and I can just save the changes. The other thing before I forget is that you can be able to change the icon of everything. You just need to click here and search for something like maybe pin here, or card, or pin, it is, and I save the changes. This one is for home, so I need to get something good, so I get home. And depending on the plugin that you have the dash icon, you have the small simple icon, Themify icon, element icon, and icon like that. So I'm just going to use the one for Themify, and I just select it and I insert it and I save the changes. So far we have been able to change the icon for home. So the one icon we have for now is very different. So let me try to refresh and see if we have added the icon. So when you just click my dashboard here, so the one we edited was home. It is that it hasn't updated here on the other end. Let me refresh here. So click on here. Now we have the one we have, it was for the sub menu. My dashboard, you have changed it, and it may not show the icon, but it's supposed to change the icon. So from there, you can be able to, you can change the where you have the separator and all that. So from there, you just click on this. Remember, you had this one on the middle here, and you have this product inquiry in the middle. So I have been able to say these are related to the WooCommerce. So from there, you have the activity logs. It has the activity logs and contacts and all that. You can check this simple plugin. It's just a free simple plugin. It has so many features. You can just check on it, and after that, you can just get back here and just leave a comment on that feature. You can just want it to be much elaborate about, and I can do a tutorial on it. Till next time, I want to say, go give a try. Hit the thumbs up for this tutorial. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Till next time, thank you.